Uh-oh, not again. My nose,
Blunder it, blunderbuss! He's gonna blow!
Whew! That was close!
Eek ook!
Huh? Why do I feel like eating bananas?
Because you've got a monkey tail.
And monkey ears!
I'm really sorry, Jake.
Don't worry, Pip. The magical mist of Misty Cove is gonna help you stop your sneezes. Then you can fix everything.
That mist better work, or Jake will be a monkey's uncle.
Okay, but let's stay away from anything that might make my nose itch, like smoke, flowers, or dust.
You mean like the Dusty Bucket Forest?
That blasted genie said no dust!
But it's the only way to Misty Cove. Just be careful not to bump into anything, and we'll get right through. Hoo, 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 ack!
Tiptoe made easy way, moving mighty sneaky creepily today. That ain't Pixie does hanging from the trees. Don't bump a bucket or the genie will sneeze.
Amazing! No one bumped into a dusty bucket. No dust, no sneeze.
Oh dear!
Coconut! Hey, no way!
Abandon Pip!
Eek ook? Huh?
That's a lot of bubbles.
What?
Flying coconuts! Hey, hey!
What a view!
Ooh, ooh! Misty missed ahoy!
Shiny lamps! We made it!
Aye, and so long as our bubbles don't burst, we'll be floating there in no time at all.
Not to mention, these bothersome bubbles might even keep us safe from any more of those silly sneezes.
This is an emergency!
Pixie dust away!
Say, I think my sneezes are gone. Wait. Well, that wasn't so bad.
Methinks, ooh, 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 might be monkey for sneezy, magic, whirly wind.
If that whirlwind gets any closer to the mist, all the magical misty mist will be whirled away.
Crackers! Then Pip will never clear his nose to get control of his out-of-control magic.
Then I've got to get over to that mist fast. I hope this works. Ha-ha! I can breathe again. No more sneezing and no more wacky magic.
Pip, here comes the whirlwind!
I almost forgot. Desert sands and magic lamps galore turn everything back to the way it was before.
Glorious day, I am back to my old self again.
You and me both.
Yay, hey! For helping to stop Pip's sneezes, we got 12 gold doubloons. Let's grab them and go back to Pirate Island.
Step lively, lads, before we get caught up in any more sneezy silliness.
Oh, you better hurry. I feel one coming on. Just kidding.
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.